All right, fam. Back at it again. Next project on this side chick, aka toaster. This is a '08 Honda Element SC. We're gonna go ahead and take care of these. These are a little bit on the rough side. So luckily they're painted. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sand these down, get some of this oxidation off, and then we're going to get it painted, get them look brand new again. So that's gonna be next. This side it looks real rough, as you can see, but I think it's gonna revive the look of the SC. So we're gonna go ahead and start sanding it down. I'm gonna remove the wing back here and start sanding it down, prime it, and then get ready for paint. All right, fam, I started sanding one side. Did pretty good. I had to go down a little bit too low just to get all the oxidation off. There's a little bit right here of still that clear coat. You guys can see it there. I'm just gonna hit that one, but everything else looks real smooth. Looks real smooth, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. Then I'll start the other side. All right, fam, I wanna show you the update. I went ahead and I took and I sanded this down. It took all the oxidation, it's real nice and smooth all the way around. I left it, I decided to sand it while it was on the vehicle itself, just for stability. It's harder to do it when you're doing it on the ground, so I just left it on the vehicle itself. There was a few spots that I had to go in deeper, so it's hit just kind of raw plastic. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and remove these plastics, and I'm going to set them in and paint them in the garage on the floor. So they'll be painted off the vehicle. So my next step is to just go ahead and remove all these plastics and all. That one was real easy. Once I popped this one, looks like this one here is broken, but looks like once I popped this one, I popped this here and then just slapped it. It just came off pretty easy. I'm gonna try the next one. Just pop up. Again, it just looks like it broke this one here, so I have at least 2 of those that I need to replace. Here's the cover for it, so I have 2 that I have to replace. Oh, looks like this one took a dump also, which is the one that goes there. Surprising that these held on also. So okay, time to clean this up and I'll do the other side and then. All right, fam, cleaned them all up, wiped them all down, got them all ready, did my first coat of primer. And again, with these types of items, we always have to hit it first with this adhesion promoter, and then after that the 2-in-1 primer. So we did just 1 coat. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it 1 more coat, and then we're gonna look for any imperfections, see if we need to sand it, touch it up. Good morning, fam. I think we're ready. All primed up. Everything looks really good, nice and smooth. We'll go ahead and start the paint process right now. All right, 2 down, 2 in process, 2 more to go. All right, fam, I'm gonna break it to you because I've seen a couple of videos of people just taking out the cladding, but well, they kind of show you how to take it off and then they never show you how to put it back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this and simplify this for you. So again, when you're first taking them off, you want to take off the center piece first. Then it has 2 10mm on each side. You want to remove those. Once you remove the center part, and then you want to pop this clip here, and then you're going to pull it back towards you. That should remove the front one. And then to remove the back one, there's a 10mm in the back. Then you're going to go ahead and pop this clip here. Once you pop this clip here, you want to lift it and then tap towards the back, and then that's going to slide. As you can see, it has all the clips here already because this just slid all the way out. If you lift it up, it's gonna just break all these clips. Same thing that happens up here. If you're just trying to lift and pry this all up, it's gonna break all of them. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and videotape this as best as I can and show you the process of how to put this back in, which is just a reversal of when you remove it. So again, we're gonna start with the front one. We're gonna slide it in here, and then we're gonna put all the clips on the cladding itself. Once you slide this in here, it should line up, and then you just tap it down. That one is done. Then you're gonna reverse it. You're gonna go back to the back side. You're gonna go ahead and remove all these, and you're gonna put it on the molding itself, on the cladding. Then you're gonna put and slide it in, except for this one here. You're gonna slide it in. As soon as you feel that it's catching, it's gonna pass this one here. You put it down, you tap them all, and then they all should fall into place. Will not break anything. And then all you have to do is just come back and put this one on here, which is your last spot. Let me go ahead and show you. All right, again, you try and fit this in here. Once you feel it that it grabbed, it should all line up. And all you gotta do is just that's it. There you go. Perfect. Alright, I cleaned as best as I could. So as you can see, I put all the clips on here, except the only one I have here are these two, this one and this one up here. Okay, so once I have that in, sorry, this one here, so these last two, which is these here, so once I have this in, I slide it in, it should be able to catch on and complete. So here we go. Again, I'm gonna slide this in the back, ensuring that it's lined up. Okay. Alright, I had this clip in extra, which is this one here. So it's already one on there. So you lift up. As you can see, it's already sliding in. So as this slides in, hits this here, you're gonna lift this part up, just the tip of it, clear it. Once it clears it, now it's done. You can see it's flush back here now. Flush all the way here, all the way down here. That's how easy it is. All you gotta do is just slide it, guide it back in. Now you're done with this one. So the only ones left is this one here. These are the clips that you need to put on the piece itself. You line it up and then you just tap them in. I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so we got the last piece in here. All the clips are on here. Okay, so now we're going to line these up. Make sure that the clip down here and the clip that's up here there it is. So again, because there's a clip that goes down here first, you have to make sure that that one is in. Once it goes in, it all lines up. Didn't break anything, didn't crack anything. So now the last two that I need to do is to ensure that I do these 10mm bolts, 10mm nuts. So I'm going to go ahead and install one now. Install the other one. And before I tighten those up, let me do the bolt back here. We're doing this bolt right here. That one is done. This one now. All right, fam, she is done. So again, I'll post what it looked like previously, but this is nice. Color match, really, really nice. As you can see in the back. I'll close this. Looks good. Yeah, obviously she's dirty. I gotta clean her up right now. It's just the sanding on it, but man, that looks really, really nice. Way better than what it was. One step closer to where I need her to be at. So the next project on the toaster is we're gonna address this here, but that'll be another video. But for right now, it's time to clean her up, get her ready for the weekend. That's a wrap. Again, painted the Cladding here. Looks much nicer than what it was previously. Wing, bumper, back. Wheels are shining. Again, looks really, really good. Again, if you look at the other video of how to remove these parts here without breaking any other clips, I'll put that down in the link. And again, just one project at a time.